Well, we're back from the Fine Can Ranch in Athens, Texas. Yeah, the wind's picking up a little bit, but not too bad. Earlier this morning, I did a tabletop review on a Xixico or something um, underlever pellet rifle, 22 caliber spring piston. And we're going to sit this down. As you know, pickle bottles die first. Let's see if we can get this lined up so you can see everything. I don't get the sun on my back. I think we're good right there. Let's go have some fun. That's what it's all about. think I'm just nicking these right now. Just grazing them. Ain't neither one of them blowing any water out. I actually hit this can by accident way over here, so I know might have to come over just a little bit more. Let me take a look at this, see if I can figure out where I caught it. Yeah, looks like it grazed it on that one. Might have to do a little bit of a side adjustment, so bear with me, and I will be right back. All the way down the hill. I apologize for that. I had to do a little bit of adjustment. I know where it went, but I'm not quite sure. Here's the bottom of it right here. Looks like it. Not quite sure yet. Let me get this one fit back up here. And the can I actually fit back up here. And we're going to keep rolling. This is not the can I want. Well, did I hit it twice? Well, no, I guess I didn't hit it once. Anyway, let's sit this down here for just a second. I'm going to take a little look and see. Oh, there it is. Oh! So you can see here, I just blew that top clean off of him. So let's go back and have some fun. We'll see what happens next. I hit that one across the hall point. pickle bottle. That pickle bottle, I hit him dead on. Perfect. I did about the same thing. I'm not sure where the bottom went, but got him right there, just blew him apart. That was fun. A little right on this can. Came through, we'll set that back up here. Got this one dead on the money. So if I remember right, I hit this one with a H&N Barracuda Hunter, and I hit this one, the cross one. I have a JTS Deadeye loaded in it now. Let's go have some more fun. Oh, before I forget it, I don't know if I can get this to stay up there. I got one of these packed full of sand. We'll see if it'll blow through it. Woo, that was fun. Yeah, I don't know if it went all the way through it, but I know I hit it somewhere. Oh, I hit it right there at the bottom. Didn't quite blow all the way through. We'll put that back together. That's a lot of sand. I mean, it left a heck of an indentation on either side. So we'll set that down here. We'll set this one back up here. I have another one here. I've only hit it one time. We'll see if I can get it to stay up here. We'll try something else. We'll be right back. let's wrap it up. Still recording. Grab this one can. Pick this up very carefully. Am I cooking? I found, I hit this by accident over there, but I got it pretty good right in that area, and she combed right out of it. Now, I use the H&M Barracuda Hunters on that far left can. I was using the Barracuda Hunters and the JTS Deadeyes on this one, and they definitely worked real well. I wasn't having very good luck with the cross one. Oh, I guess I did hit this guy. Oh, maybe I did not. No, I did not. So that being said, I'll set that there for the future if it stays. And it doesn't look like it wants to. In the pickle bottle, sheared them right off. This didn't do well with the crossmans. I got one of the pickle bottles of the crossman, and the JTS Deadeyes were a little harder, and you had to kind of force them in to the loading port, more so than you did with the H&N Barracuda Hunters. So that being said, if I keep shooting this, which I probably will, I will definitely keep running those in it. Got the second pickle bottle with an H&N. Got it dead on. So, but the Xixico, or however you pronounce it, right there. If I had any complaints, I mean, this is a beautiful gun. You can see it hit the cans. It tore right through them, about 40, 45 yards off. With this scope set up, I'm going to have to work something. I have to lean way forward to see the scope. With the scope I put in it, which is this one, I can adjust it, right there. I can adjust it here, and then I can get more focus here. But I couldn't hit anything with the sights. I just couldn't do it. I couldn't get them to adjust. They just stopped adjusting because it was shooting very much to the left. I was trying to get it to go to the right, if I remember correctly, and I didn't have any luck with it. But all in all, it's a good rifle. Again, I don't remember. I'd have to ask her what it was we gave for this, and then I want to do something else today. I had to stop for a minute. I had to treat my legs with some tea tree oil. I got something has chewed the heck out of me. I've got a rash, and I put everything I could think of on it. And one time I got chiggers real bad, and I tried everything. And finally I used some tea tree oil on there, and that got it to clear up. So I'll probably treat them again a couple more times before the day's out, see if I can get this stuff gotten rid of, because I'm just scratching like crazy. But and if that doesn't work, last resort, I'll go to my doctor. He gave me some pills for that kind of stuff. I'm just not big about going to the doctor. I'm just that way. So, at any rate, I thought I'd share this with you. I definitely like the safety arrangement where the forward is your safe, and then you click it back, and that's your fire. I definitely like that. Again, I was expecting to have this with 11mm rail, so I was making plans for that. And then when it came in, it had this Weaver Picatinny type rail on it. I get tongue-tied with that word, but at any rate, good gun, solid built. I'm sure it's made in China. I don't know if you can see this or not. It's where is it? Right up in there is sort of what it's called. But I like it. The trigger isn't bad. It's not a rough trigger. They say it's a 2-stage non-adjustable, but it's smooth. I didn't have a problem with that. and cogging effort isn't all that bad. Um, Good with a good AO scope, maybe a clearer picture, but anyway, I was hitting. I just had to play with it a little bit, and it definitely tore some stuff up. You seen, open that one can up like you wouldn't believe. So that's the way we do it. The Flying Can Ranch. We're gonna get racked up and get another thing set up to do, and then I'm gonna get that run through. Then I gotta go to the store and pick up some stuff, and then I got some other things to do. But at any rate. Again, that's how we do it at the Flying Can Ranch at Athens, Texas, and we will see you in a little bit.